Alcide is a Kubernetes security company based out of Israel and here. Kubernetes today is probably the most adopted open source that is out there for cloud infrastructure. There's a huge pickup with a lot of companies, all the way from cloud-born companies through even large banks that are adopting Kubernetes on all public platforms, on Azure, on AWS, on Google, of course. And this allows DevOps to have a much easier life whenever they need to build their clouds, but it also opens a lot of gaps in terms of security. And that's what we come to solve.
So what kind of security gaps are we talking about here? Is it? I mean, I'm familiar with simple things like SQL injections and stuff like that, but like what kind of security issues are we talking about that haven't been addressed?
Sure. So in Kubernetes, it's quite easy for a hacker to get control over your account, to do account takeover, to do secret. Manage your secret, so anything that has to do with secret leakage, data leakage, these are things that are quite easy in Kubernetes. Managing your infrastructure for crypto mining, for example, abusing your various containers for malicious activities is quite easy in Kubernetes. It's a very open infrastructure, as it was intended to be, but that's what hackers are also taking advantage of.
And so where do you fit into the process? If I'm company A and I'm going to be doing a deployment of my cloud service or whatever, when do I talk to you? What does the service look like?
Sure, so we cover Kubernetes security from a comprehensive perspective, all the way from the CI/CD stage. So we start in the CD stage. We basically integrate into your design of the new Kubernetes builds that you are building, and we help DevOps to stay within guardrails. So we help a DevOps person that doesn't want to take too much care about security. For him, security is not the main business. He wants to just ensure that he can continuously deploy to the production very safe environments. And that's where we come basically to scan all of the designs in the CD stage and to flag out any kind of security issues in terms of preset policies that we define. Later on, when you move into production, we monitor all of the logs within the Kubernetes infrastructure, and we also provide service that protects all of the microservices activities. So we can provide, for example, a firewall for your workloads, for your microservices that can secure all of the infrastructure on the Kubernetes in production. But today there's large companies out there that already have a major Kubernetes infrastructure like Airbnb, like other major cloud players. So those are the type of companies that I believe will enjoy most our service.
Well, I hope they do enjoy it. Thanks for coming out.
Thank you.